Hello guys, this is Zara Little, back with Catmobile Little, and I'm going to tell you my favorite cats today. Number 1 on the top 5 house cats are the Karat cat, then the Tabby cat, then the Siamese, then the Calico, and then any kind of black cat. Now, for the big cats. Top 5 big cats. I like number 1 on my list is the leopard. Number 2 on my list, liger. Number 3 on my list, cheetah. Number 4 on my list, tiger. And then number 5, any kind of big, fast cat. Thank you for watching. And please comment, subscribe, and like. Thank you.